My name is Krishna Prashad Patil from class 9C and I am going to play the role of Guru from the Kingdom of Fools. Before starting this, I would like to give you some information of the story. In this story, one king is there and one minister is there. In that, the king and minister are too much idiot that they can't control their own kingdom in well manner. They always control their kingdom in opposite manners. By taking example, they have make everything price in just one duro, which is not very good thing for the seller. And they had also made the daytime into night time and night time into daytime. Means the person have to sleep in daytime and work for the night time, which is not well or good thing. Okay, I would like to play my role. Disciple, can't you think this place is very strange? It is evening time, but no one shop is open and no one is roaming. I think it's this place is having so many strange problems. We should go and rest for some time because we have to move another place on morning. Yes, ma. After when the guru and his disciple were having the rest, everywhere lights and the shops were open, and the guru having one question that why now this time shops and that open. Let's play the role. Disciple, can you see why the everything lights and shops now open in that time? Can you check now? Yes, master, I will check. Guru, I asked that person. That person said to me, this kingdom is having opposite rules. In this kingdom, people have to work night time and sleep at the daytime. And in this kingdom, everything costs is just one duru. So I think we should buy something that we can take tomorrow. Yes, you are right. You should pack some food and that we can move tomorrow with some food with us. But one thing, you I will not come with you. You will go, Guruji. I have to stay at this place because it has having low cost of things and which I will like very much. Sorry, Guruji, I will not come with you. Sorry, please forgive me. I will not come with you. It's wrong. You are making one mistake. What people will do with you next, no one can tell you. You should not stay here because this is the kingdom of fools. You can't tell. You can't stay here. I am not giving allowance of you to you. Sorry, master, but I will not come with you. Please forgive me. Okay, what you want to, you can do. I am leaving this place now. After 2 or 3 days, the guru get message from his own disciple that he is in danger. Now, how the guru save his disciple? See, I am thinking that my disciple is in danger. He is sending message to me by his mind power. He is in danger and I have to go to save him. After seeing that his disciple is hanging to the death, the guru replied to the king, "Hey king, if you want to kill him, then kill me first because I want to kill first. Because it's my mistake. I have come to this city." As disciple listened, the disciple also said that I will die first. Let's see. No, Guruji, I will die because it's my mistake. I will forgive for it. Please, I will die. I will die. In like way, both were opposing to each other and both were saying first, I will first die, I will first die. Then the king will get a problem. Why these both peoples were having like this excitement to hang to death? Then king asked to that guru to why you are such excited to be hang on death. Then the what guru replied, see, I am going to hang to death because at this is a very nature god place and where the person who will hang first on it he will become the king of the in the next life. So that king get intention that how I can give my own position to another position. So the king said that don't worry, I will do something, you can go at home. And then at midnight, the king and his minister discuss with each other, and they discuss that, and they make one decision that they will hang on it and die and become king in next life. And so the king talked with the guru and say that you should run away. We will take care of everything. And at that night, the guru and his disciple ran away from that place, from the jail, and the king and his minister wear the same clothes like the disciple and the guru and hang to the dead next day.
and their bodies were sent outside of the kingdom and give to feed to the animals. And after this listening everything, the kingdom get in very problematic condition that no one will control on us, then how we can survive and how we can be safe. If anyone attack on us, then how we can protect it from us. Then the people of that country say to the minister and said to the king, said to become king and minister to the guru and disciple. And guru say yes to them, and guru become the king and disciple become the minister, and they control every wrong thing in the correct manner, like day and night system get corrected on their own position, and every place everything get its real price, not one just one dudu. And in this way the kingdom of full story get ended.